Hello dear all. In this video I'm going to move further from concave mirror to convex mirror. All these things are same regarding convex mirror also, but one thing is different. What is the difference? If you see concave mirror, this reflecting surface is towards my left. Okay, in this case also towards my left, but in this concave mirror you see center of curvature and focus point is towards left again. But where is the difference? Here is the difference. In this mirror, that is convex mirror, focus point and center of curvature towards the right. That is, if I consider this Cartesian coordinate system, when we go right side, these values are positive, and when we go left side, these values are negative. So when I consider the focal length of concave mirror, then focal length I wrote here negative. I gave here minus VE means negative. That means when we write negative, at last we write VE. I took this one VE. That is why I wrote negative here in short form, minus VE, negative. But in this case, focal length which is lying right side, ये right side में आ रहा है, that is why F is equal to positive. So now you will understand by numerical questions or by solving numerical problem. So this will be your homework also. You will try at home. See, I am writing a question here. What is the question? An object of height 5 centimeter. Okay. Now consider the diagram. Object is kept generally upside और on the principal axis. ये देखो principal axis है, इसके ऊपर object को रखा गया. Same case is here. So what? H, which is denoted what? Object height. Object height को किससे दिखाते हैं? H से. तो H what? H is equal to 5 centimeter. Now let us go to the question again. An object of height 5 centimeter is kept, रखा गया. तो रखेंगे कहाँ पर? Towards the reflecting surface always, that is left side. See, kept at 10 centimeter distance in front of a concave mirror. So concave mirror means this kind of mirror, and always it is kept left side क्योंकि reflecting surface for our conventions or convenience we take left side only. So U will be negative always. So here I wrote where U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now go to the second, what is called last stage of the question. Mirror of focal length, जिसका focal length है 15 centimeter. Now say, see this word concave. When it is concave, this is the drawing of concave and left side is focal length. So it is again negative. So I took F is equal to negative again. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to put this value U और ये F का वैल्यू तुम्हें इस फॉर्मूले पे डालना है. Why? Because it is mirror formula. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now question क्या है? Question is find the position of the image. Image कहाँ पर बना? That means the value for V. Now from this formula, when you will get the value for V, you have to see the value whether it is coming positive or it is coming negative. If after calculations value of V comes positive, then I will say that image is virtual. Or if the value of V is coming what? Negative, then I will say the image is real. So it is your home task, you will solve it. Just in this video I want to say just this difference, what focal length का difference बोलना चाहता था. That is, if concave mirror focal length left side, so negative, and in convex mirror focal length right side, so it is positive. Thank you for watching.